Today, I'll be answering the question, what is CRM? So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's generally referred to as a software. So CRM, which is the shortened version of Customer Relationship Management, is a software that helps businesses manage basically any part of the customer process. So from sales to marketing to customer service, the CRM software manages all of that. So some of the features that it may have are contact management, sales tracking, marketing automation, and it's used to manage customer data, sales processes, and marketing campaigns. So it's an all-in-one software that allows companies to be a lot more efficient and effective when managing their customers. And to break it down into really simple terms, you want to acquire leads with your marketing and advertising strategy. You want to close leads with sales, and you want to nurture customers with service. So ongoing service and support will build customer loyalty. And with CRM software, everything becomes a lot more organized, this entire process. And you can also learn along the ways some of the things that work very well and some of the things that aren't working for your company. So to give you an example, let's just say I'm running a marketing agency. I have a large marketing agency. I'm trying to drive a ton of new clients, and I want to make sure my existing clients are also happy. So what I could do is I'm using content marketing, SEO, social media, and paid advertising to drive leads. So I'm starting to drive new leads, and my new leads are contacted by the sales team as soon as they come in. Then once they become customers or clients, then they are onboarded and supported by an account manager. Now, along the way, the marketing team, the sales teams, the account manager, they can all easily communicate and make sure that everyone's on the same page with everything. And our CRM software will manage that every step of the way to keep track of every single lead that comes in, every single client we have, and any potential prospect that we haven't closed yet. So the point of a CRM software is, instead of doing this manually, like something like this, okay, here's our new leads, here's who we contacted, here are our current clients. What you can do with CRM software, and these are actual screenshots directly from Salesforce, one of the leaders in CRM software. I'll also use an example from HubSpot as well, another leader too. So what you can see here is the marketing team saying, hey, our campaign got a major lead, new priority lead, Gamma Incorporated. Okay, so the sales team says reaching out today. So now you know we have a lead in, you already have contacted your sales team, sales has confirmed we will be reaching back out to this customer. So let's just assume the customer is closed and you start working with this client. You can see here from sales, so this key account needs product support. So from the service team, I'm on it. Gamma Inc., case, whatever it may be. And now you're able to manage all of those cases and make sure that those cases are closed and that your customers are happy. And the other part of a CRM software that is really another really great feature is you're going to have these pages for each of your customers where you have all of their contact information, their lifetime value to your company. You can set specific loyalty status, and you can have this for every single customer, which allows you to easily contact them, manage them, make sure that your customers are happy with the service that you're providing them. So that's the whole point of a CRM software, is if you do have these clients, and you can see here, so 55K lifetime value. If you have customers that are spending a ton of money with you, you don't want to lose them. You want them to actually spend more money with you. You want them to grow their loyalty, and hopefully they could either send you more referrals or just be a customer for life. So let's use a few examples from HubSpot, and they have this really cool feature down here on their website where you can say the CRM platform includes marketing, so marketing software to help you attract the right audience, convert more visitors into customers, and run complete inbound marketing campaigns at scale. So that includes SEO tools, marketing automation, social media tools, blog and content creation. So you can easily see, here is how we're driving customers, and here is what is working the best for us. Now sales, once you start driving some of these leads, the sales CRM software helps your sales team close more deals, deepen relationships, manage their pipeline more effectively. Rather than getting emails just lost in your inbox or having to go through your inbox to find all this, you have a customer ABC comes in, and then you manage customer ABC every step of the way. Email sequences, smart send times, multiple deal pipelines, sales automation, e-signatures. So you can do everything right within the CRM software. Now, last but not least, once you close all of these different clients and customers, you need to provide customer service. So that's another portion of the CRM platform. Conduct seamless onboarding, enable flexible customer support, deepen customer relationships at scale. So what's happening with a lot of CRM platforms is they're trying to automate a lot of this as well. So things where some of the same customers have the same questions, you can easily answer them without even using somebody who works for your company. You can even just use artificial intelligence. So that's what's starting to be built into a lot of these different CRM platforms as well, automation and AI. So if we come over here, just looking at more examples, so sales software, you could see things. So we have 89 new page views today. we have 5 new contacts, we've sent 13 emails. So with your sales software, it helps you keep track of every single customer. And then you have customer service software, order issues. Hi, I recently placed an order, not sure if it went through. Quickly get back to your customers and make sure that all of your customers are happy. And that's the whole point of CRM software. So if we come over back here, just finishing up. So customer relationship management is what CRM stands for. It's really for larger companies that are dealing with a lot of different clients. They have a pipeline of new leads coming in. So the best way to manage all of that with that is CRM software. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.